Ladies and gentlemen, qipp.
Good afternoon, my name is Marc. I'm one of the co-founders of qipp. What we do is we transform buildings into lively and valuable places. All right. If you consider the real estate industry today, everything that happens between moving in and moving out is hardly digitized. It's not digital at all. It's widely acknowledged by the industry that it needs to be digitized, but it's hardly accomplished. And you know how it works is actually billions of dollars are invested into physical assets, but hardly any into the digital experience of the tenants. So what we do is we take it actually from the tenant side. Our customers are the asset managers, the real estate asset managers, the property managers, the developers who want to digitize but don't know how to do it. We take it from the tenant and see what the tenant actually wants. So what do you do when you live somewhere? You want to maybe chat with your neighbors. You want to know what's happening in the neighborhood with regards to, let's say, bus schedules close by. You want to maybe sell or buy stuff from your neighbors. You want to maybe share stuff with your neighbors, the typical drill or maybe some help. You want to know how much energy you're consuming. You want to know what's happening in the apartment, documentation available about the washing machine, for example. And of course, you want to be able to communicate with your property manager about incidences within the apartment. Now, what we do is with our platform, All Things, the name of the product, we integrate and bundle those activities into one platform. Those tiles you can see here, each is one digital service that we call micro app. And with this one, you can basically run your life at your home. We have implemented one first large property 1 year ago in Basel with 600 tenants. This is how it works, and this is now up and running for a year. And we have outstanding results in terms of usage, in terms of registration. So you see 92% of all the tenants have registered within 3 weeks after receiving the invitation to join the platform. 90% of all the incidences that happened inside the apartment, which they want to report to the property manager, are done with our application. And the usage rate is outstanding since everybody uses those every second day. Now, the second part is important because this is why our customers, the real estate asset managers as well as property managers, see the value in this because they can save a lot of money by just bundling all the service requests via this digital channel and not do it via phone. And then if you see 92% of registration rates, we generate a lot of data. So with this 500 apartments we have in Basel, which are online, we have now generated within a year 600,000 data points about everything that happens inside this building. And this is something that asset managers are really interested in since they don't have any transparency about what's happening inside their physical assets. We have other customers, and here you can see the versatility of our platform. So this is Privera, which is a Swiss company as well. And here you can see they configured the application differently. So they use different micro apps, which exactly fits the needs of their tenants. And what you can see down here, Kaba, which is Kaba Dorma, which you might know, it's a very large key lock company. They now start building micro apps for our platform, and they integrate it. And now you can basically reorder your keys with our platform directly to Kaba. And then there's this office application. So this is an example which we have in an office park in Switzerland. And you can see the configuration is completely different. So here it's about booking meeting rooms, it's about reserving guest parking, it's about ordering catering for lunch. And you see, you can configure it however you like and however it makes sense for that specific property and use case. The market is huge. I mean, I don't need to tell you, the real estate industry is probably one of the least digitized industries in the economy. If you just look at the residential units, we have 61 million rented residential units in Europe, of which a majority is actually multi-tenant, so apartments. If you look at office space, we talk about 1 billion square meters of undigitized office space, which is ready to be digitized. So after 1 year in business, and basically after launching our first product, we have 100K per month revenue. We have now 6,000 residential units which run on our platform, 3,200 offices. Since we really address the enterprise segment of the market, so we're not doing the small businesses, not yet at least, we're really focusing on the guys with large portfolios. You can see that now we have customers which in total unite 200,000 rental units, and now we're currently rolling out property by property our platform into their portfolios. It's a very easy to sell product. So 75% of all our customers are actually inbound, so we don't do any marketing and sales, so far at least. And we basically get a lot of requests as people talk about, and they say, this is just the perfect solution to digitize my properties in a very easy and very versatile manner. And we have so far won more than 13 enterprise accounts. Among them, some of the largest asset managers in Europe. We're talking about AXA, we're talking about Credit Suisse, we're talking about UBS, which have billions of properties sitting out there ready to be digitized. The team, Stefan Zanetti, who's also here with me, third company he started, Manfred Bausch, COO, 15 years of experience as a software developer, Sebastian Chan, the highest ranked developer in Germany and number 14 globally, so a very good tech guy. Myself, I have a background in strategy consulting as well as private equity. And we have some very good investors together, which really help us to get and cover all the different aspects of our business where we need external support and advice. We're currently in the process of starting a Series A fundraising aimed for Q1 2017. So if you're interested in joining the ranks of those investors and join the team to build this story into a global success case, let us know. We're Qipp, and we're transforming buildings into lively and valuable places. Thank you.